Hi, I am Ugo Pasco, a student in chemistry in the IDIL program. And I chose this program because it is an innovative and new program that balances the theory and the practice and offers the opportunity to specialize in a field that we like. This is a real advantage. There are three big advantages of studying in the IDIL program. First, it is the personalization of the courses. I had the chance to personalize my core units, which is related to chemistry. We also can choose between a lot of non-core units, which are introductory courses, and transversal units. Non-core teaching unit is an introduction to another discipline of the IDIL program. The evaluation method and the format of the lesson really depend on the chosen non-core units. For example, in ecology and evolutionary science, this was a field trip based on observation and practical activity. And I think that this is a really refreshing and interesting way to learn new things on a subject that weren't our discipline. I'm a chemist and I learned a lot about ecology with this non-core. Yes, well, not my accent, unfortunately, but I learned a lot of vocabulary specific to my discipline, the chemistry. I also had the chance to practice this language because a lot of IDIL students are international students and non-native French speakers. So I gained confidence. With my internship, even if it was here in Montpellier, I had the chance to work with interns that came from other countries and that don't speak French. And thanks to the IDIL program and my English courses, I was able to explain and just communicate with them with the vocabulary of the discipline field. I learned a lot of really interesting things during my internship, and thanks to the in-lab teaching units that I did in the first semester, I was able to do a quick start during my internship. I already knew the labs and the labs equipment and the person who worked in the labs, and this was a really great opportunity to do an efficient start in my internship.